Hi everybody, Melissa from Draper Museum Raptor Experience with our latest Monday Minute. And today I just want to do a real quick thank you. Today we needed kind of an emergency cleaning of the heater that is in Hayabusa, our peregrine falcon's mew. It was still running and everything was okay, but it was starting to smell like it was burning some things in there. And granted, birds are not the cleanest animals, so it happens pretty often. Every year at the end of the summer or at the end of winter, we get their heaters cleaned and then we touch it up again before we head into the winter. But this year, those heaters have been working really hard. So today, while it was hovering right at about 0 degrees out there, our operating engineer Phil came out and cleaned Hayabusa's heater for her so that we wouldn't have to worry about that burning smell or anything getting worse. So I just wanted to send a big thank you to Phil and all of the guys that work in our facilities department. They do so much for this center and they are absolutely amazing at their jobs. And it's a lot of the stuff that people never see if you come here as a visitor. And I wanted to thank all of those guys, our carpenters, a carpenter, we have one carpenter, the guys that do all the general maintenance, the guys that change the light bulbs, the guys that do all of that stuff that most people don't really notice. They really are amazing, amazing people. And a special thanks to Phil today for rescuing Hayabusa so she didn't have to worry about her heater not working. So I hope you enjoyed our Monday Minute, and I hope that you remember all of those folks that make your job a little bit easier as well. And we hope you have a fantastic week. And for all of you that are stuck in the deep freeze like us, hopefully we see an end to it soon. Thanks, folks. Have a great rest of your week.